Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert Euro to USDT in Binance. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner, and after that, you need to tap on More Services. In the More Services, you need to tap on the search bar and you need to search for Convert. Now once you have found Convert, you simply need to tap on it and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Now over here, as you want to convert from Euro to USDT, so in the From section, you will have to search for Euro and then you need to tap on Euro. After that, in the To section, you need to tap on this drop arrow button and then you need to search for USDT. Then you need to enter the amount of Euro that you want to convert into USDT and then you need to tap on Preview Conversion. Once done, you are going to see the Convert tab in the bottom, so you need to tap on Convert in order to initiate your conversion, and this way you will be able to convert your Euro into USDT on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.